Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox console games on PC. While Roblox experiences are often associated with consoles like Xbox, direct console emulation isn't the method here. Instead, you'll primarily use the official Roblox PC client. Many popular Roblox games are designed to be cross-platform, meaning you can enjoy them on your computer just as you would on a console, often with similar features and gameplay mechanics. This guide will show you how to set everything up for a seamless experience. Many Roblox experiences offer full cross-platform compatibility, allowing you to play with friends regardless of their device. While some games are optimized for touch or keyboard and mouse, a significant number also support game controllers directly within the PC client. This means you can enjoy a console-like feel, navigating menus, and controlling your character with familiar buttons and joysticks. We'll explore how these games bridge the gap between different platforms, providing a consistent and enjoyable experience for everyone. To get started, simply connect your preferred game controller, such as an Xbox wireless controller or a PlayStation DualSense, to your PC. Most modern operating systems will automatically recognize these devices. Once connected, launch your chosen Roblox experience. Within the game settings, you can often find options to customize your controller layout and sensitivity. This allows you to tailor the controls to your personal preference, ensuring a comfortable and responsive gaming session, just like on a dedicated console. To truly optimize your Roblox console-style gameplay on PC, consider adjusting your in-game graphics settings. Lowering certain visual effects can significantly improve performance, especially on less powerful systems, ensuring a smooth frame rate. A stable, high-speed internet connection is also crucial for online multiplayer experiences, minimizing lag and disconnections. Finally, explore community forums and guides for specific games. You might find valuable tips for controller configurations or hidden features that enhance your overall enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.